Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn all about branding yourself as an artist. Let us get started. First, introduction to branding for artists. Why branding matters for independent artists. Differentiates you, helps you stand out in a crowded music industry. Builds fan loyalty. Fans are drawn to artists with a clear identity and message. Attracts opportunities. A strong brand signals professionalism and consistency to industry professionals. Understanding your unique artist identity. Next, building your visual identity. Choosing your brand aesthetic. Color palette. Choose colors that reflect the mood and tone of your music. Fonts. Use fonts that align with your style. For example, bold for rock, sleek for electronic. Imagery. Consistent imagery in photos, album covers, and social media content. Designing your logo and artwork. Creating visual consistency across platforms. Now, crafting your brand story and message. Defining your artist mission and values. What message do you want your music to convey? What values are at the core of your artistry? For example, authenticity, social justice, empowerment. Writing your artist bio, long bio, for press releases, websites, and grant applications. It should detail your journey, influences. Then, applying your brand across platforms. Website and social media consistency. Using consistent bios, photos, and color schemes across platforms. Posting content that fits your brand message. For example, behind-the-scenes videos, album art. Branding your music releases, merch, and performances. Music releases. Each album, single, and EP cover should fit within your brand's visual identity. Moving on, growing and evolving your brand. Rebranding. How to evolve your brand as you grow. Rebranding. If your music style changes, update your visual and narrative elements to reflect your new, communicating changes. Be transparent with your fans about your brand evolution to maintain loyalty. Aligning your brand with new musical directions. Collaborating with visual artists, designers, and videographers. Almost there, frequently asked questions. How do I reinvent my brand without losing fans? Communicate your new direction clearly to fans. Keep some core elements of your old brand to ease the transition. What if my brand evolves over time? Embrace changes in your music and identity. So, that wraps up branding yourself as an artist. Branding is about authentically reflecting your identity as an artist. Consistency is key to building recognition and fan loyalty. Stay consistent across platforms. Remember, art means business.